One of the most important steps that you'll take in your career as an engineer is transitioning from a technical professional to a leader. And in today's Engineering Management Lessons video, I am lucky to have with me April Woods. April is a Senior VP at WSP USA, and she's also a leader in the industry. And April's going to share some tips for navigating this very challenging transition. And one thing I'll tell you is that, yes, reading leadership books and watching videos will be helpful, but it's not the only thing you should do. So April, tell us more about navigating this tricky transition in one's career.
The greatest thing about engineering school is that it teaches you how to be a critical thinker. The worst thing about engineering school is it does not teach you how to be a leader and also how to do anything of our business. So that unfortunately is something that I hope schools will continue to evolve and change as time goes on, because I think those skill sets are really important in our business. So my advice for anybody coming out of engineering school, first of all, congratulations, you have now gained a great amount of technical knowledge that will help you in so many ways be able to solve the world's greatest problems, and we need people like you. At this point, if you're looking at, hey, I'm in this technical role and I really want to transition into something of a more leadership role, the biggest piece of advice I can give you is to reach out and find some mentors within your organization and outside your organization that you admire and respect that are good leaders. Really having good mentors who can teach you more how to be a good leader is really the way to go. Some of it is learning by osmosis, just viewing people within your organization or outside and looking at their leadership and trying to take what you admire and impressing that in your own life. That's one way to do it, but really getting some very clear mentorship from some folks will really help you be able to make that transition. I honestly, the more intake that you can have on it, the more TED Talks you can listen to, the more books you can read about leadership, the better off you will be, because it is a pretty difficult transition from being an engineer, somebody really technical focused, to managing people and really wooing your clients and being able to do the business. And so it does take mentorship from others and also just your own tenacity to be able to spend some time trying to learn some techniques of how to become a leader. But I think honestly, look at the people that you admire the most and see what you can take from them.
Awesome advice there from April. And one of the most important pieces of that advice is observing people that you admire in the industry, right? There is a lot you can learn from going to a good leadership program, reading books. I read them all the time and they've helped me tremendously in my career. But there's nothing like seeing someone in person that you know lead and learning from them. And I hope that after the video and the message today, you'll go out and try to find that person. If you enjoyed our video, please subscribe to our channel here. We do put out videos like this on a weekly basis to help engineers become better managers and leaders. I hope to see you next week.